Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Chroma key in Capcut. 1. Launch the Capcut app on your device. Click the new project, and choose a video as the background and tap the ad to open it. 2. Once done, click the overlay, and then add overlay to select your green screen clip from your camera roll, and click the ad. 3. Scroll the menus at the bottom to the right, and tap on Chroma key, and you'll get a color picker. 4. Tap and hold the color picker and move around to select the color you want to remove. 5. Once done, click the intensity option, and drag the slider to the right to adjust the intensity of the color removal, and until the chosen color has been removed. 6. Click the shadow and move the slider to give a shadow effect to your video. 7. Once done, click the check mark to apply the Chroma key effect. Then save and export your video. You have learned how to use Chroma key in Capcut. Thank you for watching our guide.